Uwei kuna pule jongka Skul Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo Ribhoi ulayo ban Rung haka top 10 jongka examen HSSLC jongka Commerce Stream kabala penbenana ka embos mentaka sengi kabalong ga jing sarong ka bakrawi ke kimi ke kapa ki nong hikai hadin ka jingla ajung u ban le bhai ka examen HSSLC ban pau khmat ru na Ribhoi district yaute u Samla bla wana ka top 10 la tep kum u Jagjot Singh Nongtdu kun jongka kong IC dora Nongtdu ba shong basa akash nong pam sim Nongpo la khur star marks habaro ke subject bat khur hadu south spa lai pramarks habayo ban kran berute Samla nagaliang jong u lapan pawe ka jing sukman ka bakraw hadin bagi jing tresh dom jong u barok kilo urlong bat yo ban khay yo so batyang man ka singi pen ka jing keman ka bakraw ka principal jong ka Skul ka kong WK Black kal ai khoble kerpang yo te Samla pule bawla kan tiu am tang ka nam jong ka district henre la kan tiu ru ka nam jong ka Skul bat ka jing ka sam hi barok ka we.
When it comes to studying, you can just study like 1 to 2 hours per day. Take it easy. If you feel ever pressured, sometimes you tend to feel pressured, you can just take it easy. You can talk to your friends and basically just take it easy and work as much hard as you can. Bring honor to your school. Just my teachers and my parents, they inspired me to reach this level. They helped me a lot during my exam, supporting me, guiding me. And it's because of them that I reached in top 10 of HSLC 2024. To all the students, I would like to say just one thing, is that work hard, grow, and bring honor to your school, especially Alpha students. Let us bring honor to Alpha School. My next step would be to pursue BMS from a reputed college so that I can become a businessman, and that's what I'm hoping for.
Sien kum ka principal jong ka school na kalau ke buram bat na king so sorong ini niwe kuna uyo ka commerce stream 10th position Jagjot Singh Nongtdu ho na siya mo ni kuna u bat to hitom hina do dang wit join class school ni na do class 2 bat to hitom kena tipsi bat kiba chule ba hi jing kule jong ki ho bat ni so tenat ni ai ke buram chule ko ikinom hikai kiba de ko commerce stream bat tunjuk kimi ba kesyan berba ya kun bahagia untuk ba la ban perpoi usia ni kurang baru oi kali jing te sitom jong u hiru ka ba ula ban ai buram ka school ya u ni de ke ni kasa
ken phet prang pakai ro ke jing phet ni bang ni ka school man syam ko permi ukna ba ukna ni ka khna ha top 10 ke jing phet ka jing ka pergi wi school ka school ni zanti nen ka ne ke ga jiput kre mana kle ni pi al man ka por ka school
da kabuburam hina so baro kino hikai ki school baro hikai ka ju ne kan don hi ka jing bentar ba kino hikai ki le ki kina school hendre ho ni persyang man le kawai kalau ni kambe thong ki kina se ta te ka si kambe thong ki i kam wa ki la ni siem ba la ki don ki jing tulot ang ni persyang ban yarap iki but ho kewe galomba kayarap yaki kibon ada ni laban kam ai por yaki haskul but tunjuk ni ya don ki jinga dei baki kimi ki pa bara bungi i baki don ki kena ki don jigirmen ki balak wan chakmat ni ong kimi ki pa baki pet na yeng lu nang ba ki kon ki wan chakmat bakin pa subha
Jena kalian dan school hatu ka judon ko offer ke ni khna ba mi ha bala ni ba exam pun tam ya ki ni imbos
ni don ni sya ai kinja financial ni ba token ko hisin ai ka por ni next station school bala yan ki class 12 ma ki la lek shabah te shibon tingim la hi namar ki kena ki bon dai ni pensulur but ni ai kinja financial assistance one time